To prepare for the perfect shave, we will use a straight razor like this one, also referred to as an open razor. Always use a fresh blade for each and every shave. Use a shaving soap for the perfect shave, as some gels and creams can cause irritation and dehydration to the skin, and a general feeling of discomfort to the client. It's very important to buy a good quality badger hair shaving brush. They will absorb water for longer periods and generally will not shed, making them more comfortable on the client's face. For the perfect shave, soak 4 towels in hot water. Use a tongs to lift the towel as they will be hot. Hold the towel and waft it to take the heat out of it. Now squeeze any excess water out of the towel to prepare them for the steam caddy or microwave. After you have rolled up all your towels, place them in the tray and set the caddy to the desired temperature. Place another towel in cold water to soak for use after the shave. When you remove your first towel from the steam caddy, be careful as they will be extremely hot. For safety reasons, use a tongs for lifting the towel. For presentation purposes, use a tray for holding them. Always use a high quality pre-shave oil to soften the beard and bristle. This will make the face easier to shave and will keep the skin moist and supple throughout the perfect shave. After the perfect shave, use a moisturising cream to rehydrate the skin back to its natural pH balance. In all our salons, we heavily invest in the proper traditional hydraulic barber chairs, which must incorporate a footrest, extendable headrest, and the chair must be able to recline into a comfortable position for you to be able to shave and the client to feel comfortable. The Health and Safety Act requires every barbershop and hairdressing salon to carry a first aid box. It is also advisable to have a sharps bin in every salon. You must be able to dispose of any used and unwanted razor blades in the proper fashion. It's very important to make sure that no objects hinder your shave. Remove all rings, bracelets and watches. If you're wearing long sleeves, use armbands to keep your hands free from obstruction. Always project the right image in your salon, as first impressions will last. A clean, fresh smelling uniform along with deodorants and aftershaves will go a long way with clients and other members of staff. Slip the razor blade out of its protective box. All good quality blades should have a protective paper like this one around it. Now carefully bend the blade in two until you hear a snapping sound. Separate the two blades by tearing the protective paper in two and put one side of the blade away for future use. Holding your straight razor in one hand, gently slide the insert out completely. Safely and slowly remove the razor blade from its protective packaging. Take the insert in one hand and you will see that there are grooves in the blade that will match up with the ones on the insert to ensure a nice tight fit. Now carefully slide the insert back into the main straight razor. Make sure you have about 1 cm to 2 cm of blade showing evenly along the razor. Your razor is now ready to do the perfect shave. During the consultation with your client, you must first establish does he want to leave sideburns and at which length, the direction in which his beard grows and any type of swirls or moles you might encounter. Check if he would like to leave a moustache or mig, and make yourself aware of any dimples or indentations he might have. Also check your client's face before you start preparing, as you will feel how strong his bristle growth is and if there is any stubborn changes in growth pattern anywhere. If he's wearing a shirt collar, tuck it away so you have a full view of the area you are about to shave. Wrap the gown firmly around the client, making sure his clothes are well covered.